Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. The play is filled with a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. By taking the time to learn about the characters, you'll be able to fully appreciate the intricate plot and understand the motivations behind their actions. But before we continue, let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale. Hermia, a young woman in love with Lysander. Hermia is a vibrant and spirited young woman deeply entangled in the intoxicating realms of love and passion. Her youthful exuberance is matched only by her determination to follow her heart, regardless of the obstacles she faces. Hermia possesses a striking beauty that captures the attention of those around her, but it is her fiery spirit and unwavering loyalty that truly make her stand out. Physically, Hermia is petite and graceful, with delicate features that convey both innocence and determination. Her expressive, doe-like eyes shimmer with a mix of curiosity and mischief, reflecting her free-spirited nature. Her flowing chestnut locks cascade down her shoulders, framing a face that is a canvas of emotions, always revealing her current state of mind. Beyond her captivating appearance, Hermia possesses an indomitable spirit that refuses to conform to societal expectations. She is headstrong and independent, unwilling to be swayed by the pressures of her father, Aegis, who seeks to dictate her romantic destiny. Instead, Hermia follows her heart, falling deeply in love with Lysander, a kind and charming young man who has captured her affections. Hermia's love for Lysander is passionate and consuming, as she revels in their shared moments of tenderness and affection. She is fiercely devoted to him and would go to great lengths to protect their love, even defying the law and facing severe consequences. Hermia's unwavering loyalty and determination to be with Lysander are the driving forces behind her actions, empowering her to challenge societal norms and pursue her own happiness. While Hermia is resolute in her pursuit of love, she is also a deeply compassionate individual. She possesses a natural empathy that enables her to understand and empathize with the emotions and struggles of others. This empathy extends to her best friend, Helena, who finds herself embroiled in a complex love triangle involving Hermia, Lysander, and Demetrius. Despite the potential for rivalry and jealousy, Hermia remains a steadfast friend, offering support and understanding to Helena as she navigates her own romantic challenges. Hermia's character arc is marked by her transformation from an innocent young woman to a brave and resilient individual willing to face the consequences of her actions. Her journey encompasses love, defiance, and the pursuit of personal happiness, ultimately highlighting her indomitable spirit and unwavering commitment to love and freedom. In essence, Hermia is a captivating and spirited young woman who embodies the power of love, loyalty, and personal agency. Her unyielding determination, unwavering loyalty, and compassionate nature make her a memorable character, drawing readers and audiences alike into her tumultuous journey of love and self-discovery. My fellow explorers of literature, join me in our next episode as we immerse ourselves in the captivating world of complexity that is an integral part of this enchanting play. Until then, stay curious and embrace the magic of Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream.